Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expobar espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a little bit of work. We had to replace the cord and we had to replace the water pump and give this machine a tune-up. Let's start with the cord. When we were replacing this water pump, we had to basically open the entire machine up and everything. And while we were working with some electronics, we found this big mess of wires, as you can see, and this connection was completely exposed and almost hitting the side of the case as well. Some of these connections were burned, and the cord that is right here is such it's so tiny that it's also cracking up in some places, as you can see right here. Insulation is just cracking up entire way, so it was best to just replace the entire cord. It could be a fire hazard, so we replaced it with a much thicker one, this one that you see right here, and it's connected and secured all the way till here. We insulated as well some of the connections to make sure they do not melt and they will not touch any metal as well. We regrounded everything and put it back together. Then we work on the machine and the water pump. We replace this one, and then replace the shower screen, the gasket of the machine itself, and deep clean everything on the groove as well. We polish it all around it, secure a bit more, secure better these valves as well and other parts of the machine. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be running some steam and then some hot water. Hopefully I pick up the right grinding to this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Gonna be on the fast side, but we're still going to get good crema coming on top of the espresso shot, as you can see right here. Great shot of espresso. Flow from the shower head, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out to the one. Working excellent. Steamer of this machine with great pressure, excellent temperature as well, excellent pressure coming out of them, and hot water. Working excellent, as you can see right here. So there you have it, a Expobar espresso machine working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.